Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to LB Monocrafts Design YouTube channel. In this episode, we will take you step by step on how we replace the damaged Vachetta on a Louis Vuitton Speedy in the Nier Azure canvas. Most of the leather parts are still in an okay condition, so the client wanted to replace the handles and the zipper pull tag. Okay, so let's begin. First, we will clear the zipper pull and we'll try to save the rivets so we can use it again. We use real Vachetta leather in our projects, and now we will make a new zipper pull tab. We will now proceed to the handle replacement. As per the client's wish, the chaps will remain as is and only the handles are to be replaced. Meanwhile, we already have a pre-made handles that can be attached directly to the hardware by hand stitching. Now let's do the other side. This is the zipper pull tab we made earlier. So happy we were able to save the original rivets. By the way, we formulated a solution to make the Vachetta into honey patina color or even darker. As a custom shop, we always follow what the client wants. As you can see, we only apply transparent edge coat here instead of colored edge coating as per her wish. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Check out our other restoration videos for Louis Vuitton and other luxury brands. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with our upcoming videos.